Today, I'm going to show you how to open Google Forms in Chrome. This is a quick and straightforward process that gives you access to Google's powerful form creation tool, perfect for surveys, quizzes, or collecting information from others. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com. This is your starting point for accessing all of Google's services. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll see a clean interface with the search bar front and center. Now shift your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll notice a grid icon. This is the Google Apps icon, and it's your gateway to all the different Google services available to you. Go ahead and click on it. When you click the Google Apps icon, a panel will drop down displaying a variety of Google's applications. You'll see familiar options like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar arranged in a grid format. Now here's where you need to scroll down through this menu. Keep scrolling until you spot the Forms option. The Forms icon typically shows a purple document with a white grid pattern on it, making it fairly easy to identify among the other apps. Once you've found it, click on Forms. This action will take you directly to the Google Forms homepage, where you can start creating new forms from scratch or choose from a variety of templates designed for different purposes. Whether you're planning to create a simple contact form, a detailed survey, or an interactive quiz, you'll have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. The interface is user-friendly and designed to make form creation as seamless as possible. And there you have it. You've successfully opened Google Forms in Chrome, and you're ready to start creating forms that suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.